Hey there, it's Melissa. I am here with the Aldi Find sneak peek for the week of March 26th through April 1st. As you know, Aldi's made some changes to the way that we see stuff online in advance now. We can see it all again. It's just kind of spread all over the place. So I'm just trying to organize it and make it a little bit easier. We have a great week. Let's talk Easter this week. But first, let's start with these great tops. We've got some really nice shorts. Love those colors. We've got some really cute character sunglasses for the kids. They are adorable. We've got the adorable rain boots for the kids. Oh, I just love those. We've got some really cute canvas slip-on sneakers for the kids. Those are also adorable. And the rain jackets. I can't take it. All the cuteness. We have the ladies' pajamas. Aldi has the best pajamas. We've got some two-piece pajama sets. These look super cute and super comfy. We've got some really cute Peeps activity stuff for the kids. I love having alternative stuff for Easter gifts. We got this Easter egg surprise Paw Patrol activity set. We've got the read and doodle cars in all the variant characters. We got the Barbie mini Barbie Land Bakery and the Pet Boutique. We've got some bubble blasters. Those are adorable. The LOL surprise tots. The Lego Animal Playground. That is super cute. We've got some Monster Jam trucks. The Bluey egg basket. How cute are those? We've got this cookies, yum yums. I'm a little not totally familiar with that. We got the squishy Peeps and the chick. How adorable are those? We got some Pokemon tins. These Rubik's Cubes are adorable. I love Hello Kitty. That is so cute. We've got some of the Squishmallows. These are the 8-inch size. These world's smallest toys are adorable. I got some last year. They were super cute. We've got some of the Easter grass. We've got some Easter eggs. Great prices too. We have these adorable flocked bunnies. These last year, I remember, were beautiful. And look at this. We have the wood candle in the bunny shape. How adorable. In those 3 colors. These spring wreaths are also adorable. We've got these character rope Easter baskets. They are so cute. The Easter bowl fillers. These are also adorable. We've got some gel clings for the windows for Easter. The flock bunnies in this single bunny, also gorgeous. We've got the bunny gnomes. How stinking adorable. LED, so do they light up? We've got these carry handle 30-ounce bottles. Those are awesome. Food storage set. Berry Keeper and the Produce Keeper. Those are both amazing. We have the 4-quart casserole in the lemon or the blue. The tea kettle in the lemon pattern or the blue. We've got these gorgeous glassware. So some are hobnail, some are not. All in the beautiful colors. We got these colanders, the large ones and the small ones. I'm really curious by those small ones. They are cute. We have this really nice ceramic egg holder. We've got these gorgeous charcuterie board items. So we got the spreaders and the forks. Oh, beautiful. The oil and vinegar sets. We got these really nice glass cups with the hearts, the strawberries, the flowers. They are beautiful. We've got some really nice placemats. 4 different ones to pick from. And then the matching napkins. These are gorgeous 15-inch planters. The bird houses are adorable. Those could easily be painted too. We've got the raised garden bed and the potting bench. I'm really tempted to get that potting bench. We've got the flexible downspouts. I mean, listen, we sometimes we need them. We've got all these bulbs. So we've got all these here, and then we have all these here. I think my store had some of the bulbs already this week. We definitely had some. We got the walk-in greenhouse, the weed puller, and the rubber mulch. We have these two nice plants that will be available. The aloe vera is awesome. The Liqueur lip oil in the clear. We have that pink and then that reddish tone. We've got the Peeps craft kits. How stinking adorable are these? And the Aldi cards. All occasion. Aldi has the best cards, 99 cents. You can't beat it. If you're a runner, these are some awesome items. I'm not familiar with any of them. Okay, in the food, we got the lemon streusel cake, looks so good. We have the cold foam, and we have the Village Pie Maker pies. Just a couple things I want to highlight. Let me know what you're most excited for. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. I really appreciate it. Some of my videos are getting a little hidden again. I could use all the help I can get. I love you guys so much for doing that. Have a great week, and I'll be back Wednesday with my in-store video.